Okay, so this little is 3 months old, and the reason I'm asking is because someone says that I feel his friend contains suddenly. What?
What's that from?
Yeah, in our poetry, they said that his friends call him TNT. How? No, always confused.
I mean, you didn't ask us to give him a call, right? And obviously you had the doubts, like you said. Some things have been a little bit different.
Yeah. You guys stay together?
We stay together. We stay together, and
so obviously then you're the main one. Does it matter that you're the main one, or is that it?
I thought I was the main one. I really thought. So we've been dating for 3 years, and we make up work. And we make up work, twice. There was a dinner with me, and we made out some work and shit. Because of whatever situation we had, I thought, God, I love him so much. So now, 6 months ago, I noticed that he's starting to go to the gym, and he's starting to, look a certain way, and I think there's a I want to come and find out what is going on.